Money is your life energy. Every dollar you earn represents your time, your focus, your effort. And most people spend it without realizing what it truly costs. You earn a decent income. You're not reckless, yet by the end of the month, your balance is close to zero. You worked hard. You did everything right. So why does progress feel invisible? Today, we're rebuilding your relationship with money, not with hype, with clarity. This framework is inspired by Your Money or Your Life, one of the foundations of financial independence. You make $30 an hour, 40 hours a week. That's $1,200. But your job doesn't just take 40 hours. It takes commuting time, recovery time, and mental energy that follows you home. That 40-hour job often consumes 55 or 60 hours of your life. Now subtract the costs your job creates: gas, work clothes, eating out. Convenience spending, subscriptions, small rewards for surviving the week. That $30 per hour might really be 10. And that changes everything. Because money isn't just numbers, it's your life converted into currency. If you live to 80, that's about 4,000 weeks. Now subtract sleep, 8 hours a day. That's 1/3 of your entire life. Subtract commuting, daily chores, obligations you can't avoid. What's left is your truly free time, and it's smaller than you think. Now look at that $200 purchase again. If your real hourly wage is $10, that's 20 hours of your life. Is it still worth it? When you start measuring spending in hours instead of dollars, you don't become cheap. You become intentional. Most people think the solution is simple: just earn more. But here's the trap. The more you earn, the more your lifestyle quietly expands. Better apartment, new car, upgraded phone, more subscriptions. Suddenly, the raise disappears. Instead of chasing more, define enough. Enough might mean flexible work, more time with family, or simply sleeping without financial stress. If you don't define enough, you'll chase more forever. Here's something simple. For 30 days, write down every expense. Not to judge yourself, not to restrict yourself, just to see clearly. Because attention changes behavior. When you see patterns, you naturally start making better decisions. Clarity creates control, and control creates freedom. Money is your life energy. Treat it that way. If you want practical systems to build real financial freedom, subscribe now. Let's build this step by step.